Welcome to Post Time. I'm Heather Moffett. Two of my favorite things in life are harness racing and community service. And on today's show, I get to talk about both things, standardbreds and compassion. Perfect together. And it's all in the next half an hour. We're going to kick it all off with some first state action. It's our feature pace from Harrington Raceway, the Open Handicap. We've got a group of talented and speedy sidewheelers going to post over the Kent County half-mile oval. Take it away, announcer Jack Gallagher.
There goes Fields of Honor out for that lead, along with Jeremy's successor, farther out, Dina's Gamble. Digger's Rest has the rail as they race into the first turn. It's Fields of Honor, Digger's Rest. Jeremy's successor is racing in third, followed by Chile. And then it's Art of Illusion, followed by Harlingen Hanover. Dina's Gamble left a bit, takes back to last. They race up the back stretch. Fields of Honor, here comes Jeremy's successor on the outside to take the lead. Fields of Honor back to second, Digger's Rest now third. Chile is racing fourth in front of Art of Illusion. 2 lanes, Harlingen Hanover and Dina's Gamble. 28-1, they race into the far turn. Jeremy's successor with the lead over Fields of Honor. Digger's Rest is there third. Getting away in fourth, that was Chile. They come over toward the top of the stretch on the way toward the half. Jeremy's successor has Fields of Honor by a length and a half. Sitting in third, Digger's Rest. Coming to the outside, Chile, 2 lengths to Art of Illusion. And then it's Harlingen Hanover and Dina's Gamble to the outside. 57-1. Into the turn, Jeremy's successor, Fields of Honor. Chile outside, Digger's Rest back to fourth. Then comes Art of Illusion, Dina's Gamble, and Harlingen Hanover trails as they hit the back stretch. Jeremy's successor leads by a length and a half over Fields of Honor. Racing on the outside, Chile. Dina's Gamble outside, down at the rail, Digger's Rest. Then comes Art of Illusion off the rail now is Harlingen Hanover from last. 3/4 and 125 and 2/5 into the far turn. It's Jeremy's successor, a half length. Chile on the outside gets a bit closer. That's Fields of Honor, followed by Digger's Rest, and they're at the top of the stretch. Turning for home, it's Jeremy's successor by 3/4 of a length. Chile on the outside. Fields of Honor now coming down the inside. Farther out, that's Digger's Rest coming through the stretch. Here comes Digger's Rest after Jeremy's successor on the wire. Jeremy's successor, 153-1.
Jeremy's successor wins in 153-1 for owner Andrea Hill of California. This is the 4th victory of the Harrington Raceway Spring Meet for the 7-year-old. And they say you should never mix business with pleasure, but driver Sean Beer and trainer Chrissy Chrisman did just that. They walked down the aisle on May 21st and said, "I do," to Love's Victory Lane. Okay, everybody, for this week's Post Time Brain Teaser, you either have to know a little something about the Bobby Quillen Memorial or a little something about current events in harness racing. Are you ready? Here it is. The winner of the 2009 Bobby Quillen Memorial just equaled the fastest mile in Canadian harness racing history on June 18th. Who is the horse? I'll give you the answer after this.